Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Excellency to Abi Hanif Adibida as the Director of Pesantren Syukri dan Larabin Fida, the Honorable to Mr. Munir and Mr. Adib as the Headmaster of Pesantren and Senior and Junior High School Larabin Fida, and the respectable to my mom, my parents, and my dad. So today, the first let me introduce myself. My name is Kartika Amelia Permatasari. So kami Amel. I'm 11th grade in Senior High School Larabin Fida. So today I want to explain about my imagination map about the sneezy part 2. In the part 2, what the many different is types about the sneezy. So many different about sneezy. Have British snakes, other snakes are squid, and snakes be louder than others. So the snakes in the people from the people 1 from the people is the different, okay. And then if the be louder, so his cows respond differently allergen because cows respond differently allergen like that. And sensitivity to irritation allergen. Now, is sound to sneezing is different. From people 1 from the people 2 is different, not same. And variant is 2. Number 1 is neuroanatomy, and number 2 respiratory equilibrium like that. And didn't get rid to irritation, still working to remove, and more aid than knock out. Now, if you take air is more, so which can produce a bigger like that. And the last about the Allah in the equate about sneezing. Allah is love is like sneezing, but Allah is not like is yawning. Nah, so if you yawning, not make any noise, and from Satan origin is different about the sneezing and yawning. Now, sneezing is mercy and grace from Allah to the people. So I think enough. That's all for me. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.